Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I will be making brown stew turkey neck. If you have made this recipe before, please comment down below. Let's get right into the video. The first and very important thing to do is clean your meat properly. As you can see, this turkey neck is quite fatty and it has a lot of things that I don't want on it. So what I'm about to do is clean it properly and then wash it. After cleaning and washing the turkey neck, I am going to get started on the seasoning process. So I have here with me some garlic and some pepper. I am currently using a knife to press my garlic down so I can get the flavor from it. After doing that, it is time to put it on the meat. The next thing I'm going to add is a little turmeric powder, some complete seasoning, black pepper, and jerk seasoning. As I always say, it is up to you to add the seasonings that you love. So don't just stick to these seasonings only. I also added a little cayenne pepper for flavor. Now that all the seasonings are on the turkey neck, I'm about to combine this. I am now going to leave this to marinate for a few minutes. If you have time, you can go ahead and marinate this for an hour, 2 hours, or even overnight. The method I will be using is frying then pressuring. So here I am adding a little oil to the pot. After this is heated properly, I am going to put in my turkey neck. After frying this and getting that nice color and that nice flavor that I am looking for, I went ahead and transferred this to the pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, no problem. You can just stew this down. It will only take a few more minutes. I just used the pressure cooker to save time. So I removed it from the frying pan, got rid of the oil, and now I'm going to add a little water and some browning. And I will leave this to pressure for 20 minutes. You can always leave the browning out or you can add a little more. It depends on how brown you want your meat to be. I have pressured this for 20 minutes, so I removed the pressure cooker top and I'm adding some carrot, onion, tomato and thyme. After putting these in the pot, be sure to combine. To finish this off, I am going to add a little ketchup to thicken the gravy, and I'm going to also add a little more complete seasoning. Leave this to simmer for a few more minutes, and there you have it. I have served this with some rice and peas and tomatoes on the side. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in. As always, I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye!